We have to plot graphs of y equals 2, y equal -1, and y equal 4. So let's start with number 1. And we have y is equal to 2. So y is now a constant. So y is always 2. That's what this equation means. So we can easily get points. When x is equal to 1, y has to be 2. When x is equal to -2, y has to be 2. Because 2 is the only number y could possibly be. So we want to plot these points on our Cartesian coordinate plane. And plotting point 1, 2, the first number is 1, second number is 2. We follow the grid lines up and across, and we make our point here. Second point, -2 and 2. So -2 is coming from the x-axis, and +2 is coming from the y-axis. So we plot our point. And now we want to connect these points with a straight line. So let's do that. Okay. So this is what the graph looks like in red. It is a horizontal line passing through y equals 2. So the equation will be y is equal to 2. The equation of this graph. So let's see if we can plot another graph. Y is equal to -1. Again, y is a constant, always equal to -1. So we can make points easily. For example, if x is -3, y has to be -1. And if x is 5, y still has to be -1 because -1 is the only possibility for y. So let's plot these 2 points now. Okay, so -3, -1 located here. This is our -3 and this is our -1. So we get our point here. Then we have 5, -1. So this is our 5 and this is our -1. So we have our other point right here in purple. Now I want to connect these points with a straight line. And our answer is y is equals to -1. This is our equation of the line. So we write it back. Y is equal to -1. That's what the graph looks like. Again, it is a horizontal line. And let's plot our last graph without using any points. Without even thinking much. We know that the graph has to be horizontal. And so if y is equal to 4, we start at 4. So we have a point here. And we could have a point anywhere along this horizontal line. Okay, so we know that the graph looks like this. It has to be horizontal. Just trying to make this as horizontal as possible for you. And the answer is shown here. The equation is y equals 4. So just know that whenever we have to plot a graph of y equal to a constant, we will get a horizontal graph. And if you ask what is the gradient of this graph, the answer is this graph has zero gradient. Zero gradient. It has a gradient of 0. Okay. Thanks for watching and all the best to you for the rest of the day.